Welcome back. In this video of our case study, we will see how to order a worksheet. The first thing to do with a sheet of raw data is to put the necessary titles above each column and filter the data, which will ease us through our work. For example, the FY16 requires the following modifications. Let's call column B P&L account. Column C is already named, so we don't need to do anything. And column D contains the name of the partner company in C, so let's call it Name of Partner Company. In column E, we have the amounts of each item, so let's call it Amounts. Column F contains the code under which the P&L item is registered, and therefore we can name it Account Number. Let's align the data in the same direction. I like to see it with a left alignment. The shortcut for this is Alt-H and AL. Okay, this is much better. Generally speaking, it is good practice to have ready filters on the top of a page with data in Excel. They allow us to manipulate the data more efficiently and are easy to use. In order to use the shortcut for filters, you need to press Alt, A, and T, and your filter is ready to use. Next, we will eliminate the rows with total, which does not provide any new information, but might confuse us at some point. So let's filter column C for total, and we will be able to see only the rows which contain a total. Selecting all these rows and pressing Ctrl and minus will delete the filtered rows. This can be done with a right-click and the Delete Rows command as well. Once we've done this, we can remove the filter and we will have the rest of the data in front of us, ready to use.